I grab my Glock and do you pull the bullet? Rapper Lee, I grab my Glock and do you pull the bullet?
It's 12 o'clock at midnight, sipping crayon on my way to Mason. Finna school my brother, D-PIMPIN, messing. Cause this shit like Jason lurking in the fucking dark. A million murders on my mind. Pop the clip, pop the hammer, tell you fuck off with your kind. Scoping the center, I'm looking for witnesses. Niggas that wanna check, checking my people, I'm slanging the fast, and I'm making a stand to these fuckers. I holler from bullets, they kill you. Cut of a killer, that nigga, that instant, they hit him. My brother, that blood like a ball of the Glock, and they bullets look to your head, nigga, they stepping and rolling it up, and I'm ready for. Bullet was scattered, the red at the dead of the slug in your heart as I pull up the dagger. I'm trapping on this with the bulletproof vest. I'm killing you niggas, you bitches don't matter. Quicker the trigger is wood on my hip, and the quicker you bitches will lay in the ditch. Cause I'm tired of you niggas, they talking that noise is murder. One on your ass, bitch.
Rapper Lee, I grab my Glock and do you pull the bullet? Rapper Lee, I grab my Glock and do you pull the bullet?
Thumbing your body in a muddy ditch. Thumbing your body in a muddy ditch. Thumbing your body and thumbing your body and thumbing your body in a muddy ditch.
Faker flaws, killers hard, demons lurk the graveyard. Faker flaws, killers hard, demons lurk the graveyard. Bloody bands, Nina cock. Troubles to the killer, say watch the clock. 3 bodies in the trunk, to the burn my rat. 2 lines of the blow got me so high. Cornfields, graveyard, this thing ripping out your motherfucking heart. Catch my drip. There's a motherfucking bitch that's spitting they lip. There's a death to my presence that it might be you. Play lost in your body, tied to a fucking tree. Bloody wall, show your death. My motherfucking pitchfork in your health. Make a move, try your luck. Troubles to the killer, don't spare no bucks. Shoot the key and left for dead. Let me get the men slip around my head. Torture, horror. This soul right behind me, follow.
Rapper Lee, I grab my Glock and do you Rapper Lee, I grab my Glock and do you pull the bullet?
Thumbing your body in a muddy ditch. Thumbing your body in a muddy ditch. Thumbing your body in a muddy ditch. Thumbing your body in a muddy ditch.
Rolling in the Chevy, tinted window, so don't peek inside. The Glock is in my lap, my nigga ace hitting that front to get hypnotized. Thinking like a psycho, thinking about the body while I hit the fucking blunt. Niggas when I kill just straight, when I shoot my hollow point, just lay down in my trunk. Pop the clip, by the town, make a stain, time to count. Put the pistol in his mouth, drag him to the slaughterhouse. Niggas that talking that shit as I pop in the clip, you better be watching your back, cause I'm pulling the trigger. My niggas they kill like that when they smoking and smoking the crack. Just stop pimping on my head, to fire that this, I ain't your head, your money and still death one's never talk, but I won't stop until you dead. Scooping in my rollers, now we licking bitches 187. Hope your ass believe in God, cause I'ma send your soul to heaven. With one pull of my trigger, drop
Thumbing your body in a muddy ditch.
His face on the trauma to the clip, we lurking up bitch when we creep.
Rapper Lee, I grab my Glock and do you pull the bullet? Rapper Lee, I grab my Glock and do you pull the bullet?
Thumbing your body in a muddy ditch. Thumbing your body in a muddy ditch. Thumbing your body, thumbing your body, thumbing your body in a muddy ditch.
Rapper Lee, I grab my Glock and do you pull the bullet? Rapper Lee, I grab my Glock and do you pull the bullet?
Thumbing your body in a muddy ditch. Thumbing your body in a muddy ditch. Thumbing your body in a muddy ditch. Thumbing your body in a muddy ditch.
Rapper Lee, I grab my Glock and do you pull the bullet? Rapper Lee, I grab my Glock and do you pull the Rapper Lee, I grab my Glock and do you pull the bullet?
Thumbing your body in a muddy ditch. Thumbing your body in a muddy ditch.